This is a hard-shelled plastic dog kennel. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this together now. Plastic base is inside. You have your instructions and your brackets. All right, then you take your plastic top and just place it on top of that base. The reason why we got this size is so that it can fit in the back of our Subaru Outback. It's the perfect size for both our dog and our vehicle. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the brackets in now. In the packaging, there are 13 bolts, and in my case, I have 14 wing nuts that go on them. So I got a couple extra. So I'm gonna show you how to put them on at this point. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the bolt and the wing nut installed. The bolt goes from the bottom upward, and then you put the wing nut on the top and you just spin it around. And there are 2 in the front, 1 here and there. And then each side has 3. And then the back also has 1, 2, 3. So it locks it in that manner. This can come off now. Oh man, hold on. Okay, so got the sign off. These are the extra pieces of hardware that came with it. So probably good to save in case you lose any or they break. So I'll go ahead and set those somewhere. Okay, learn from my mistake. Make sure you put the door on first. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out a couple of these on the side here to open it up and then put the door back in and then pinch it back shut. Okay, so I just spun those off real quick in a few seconds and then lifted this up, put it in, and then the door closes just from pinching these together. It retracts those rods and then you can place it in and then release, and now it's locked in. All right, let me put these back on. Okay, and here is the completed dog kennel. This took only a few minutes to build. It's very simple, but it's very strong. So we'll see how this works on road trips. We got like a super chewer, very anxious dog, so this is what we're gonna be training her in.